Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something different with you guys. I recently discovered the Asos makeup bag or box or whatever they call it. So I decided to try it out. I saw it last night online on Asos. Today is Sunday and I saw it on Saturday and I thought, why not try it out, because it looked good. They showed you kind of a sneak peek of what's in the box, so I was kind of excited. I've been seeing this box now for a few months, but I never picked it up. I always end up missing out on it, but finally got a hold of it. Thankfully it's my birthday month, so I thought, why not treat myself to a box. So it's not a subscription box. It's a box that you just buy one off. I think it's a monthly box they bring out, and it is sort of like a first come first serve box. So I have the next day delivery with Asos because I'm always shopping with them. So I got this the next day and I only got it an hour ago, so I thought, why not come by and show you guys what's in the box. It's an unboxing for me as well, so I'm kind of excited. And I also want to show you guys what's in there, so if you want to pick it up you can go ahead and do that before it runs out, because I'm not sure how long it's going to be online. But I just got my box and it's still in the package. Ooh. The lighting too bright. It's still in the paper bag it came wrapped up in. So I'm just going to take that out and then we're going to unbox the bag. So it comes in this bag. Just going to take it out. And on the bag it just says April Asos box. So look out for that. If you just, I think you can just search it on the website and you'll find it. So this is what the box looks like. Let me turn the lighting down. Just a white box with Asos on the front of it. Let's turn this back up so you guys can see what I have in here. So let's take it out. It's nice. It's a nice box. It's not too cheap looking. It's very sturdy. Can't really get it off. Okay. So first off, we have this in the box. It's a pamphlet leaflet, and it says, whether you're blessed with an invite to a wedding bash, prom, or some other swanky soiree, this box is piled high with bits to ensure you served serious sophistication. Lean on Ardell lashes. Oh my god, I love Ardell's lashes. Lean on Ardell's lashes when the occasion demands drama, or play with sleek blush by 3 when colours called for. I love sleek. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So okay, there's an Asos makeup eyeshadow palette to make your peepers pop. Pro Tools marble brush for expert application, and matte liquid lip paint for from Colored Rain for an excellent barely there finish. Perfect for an aspiring best dressed guest. I'm getting Colored Rain, I'm getting sleek, I'm getting other lashes. What Asos? Okay. I swear all the things I talked about are already over £12. So let's get into the box. I'm like excited right now. Okay, so first off, in the box I already spotted this. The sleek was on top waiting for me. I don't think I've got the lace one. I've got the sugar one. So I'm very, very excited. So knowing me, I'm gonna open it for you guys. I don't know if you guys ever tried sleek, but they are so affordable and so good. I'm gonna have to use my teeth for this one because I'm like anxious. Okay, so this is just giving me a headache right now. Let's just try and get this open quickly. Woo! So excited. The colours in this palette look so good. Alright, we got it out. It's coming out. It's coming out. I had to rip the box a bit. So this is the palette, and it's Blush by 3 Palace Lace. Whoa. They're so pretty. Look at the colors. I love it. It is so spring. There we go. Can you see it? The colors are gorgeous. So I'm gonna do some swatches and see what that looks like. So we got the color Crochet, Goop, I don't know, Goop Pure, I don't know, and Chantilly, and it comes with 1 shimmer and 2 mattes. So we're gonna start from this one to this one. Whoa, that one is so pretty. The shimmer one is so gorgeous. Let's go over this one more time. Right. So these are the colors. I think my lighting is too bright today. Let's turn it down a bit. These are the colors. London is so gloomy, so the light is crazy. But yeah, those are the colors in that palette. Ooh. I'm trying to focus, make it get a nice pigment for you guys to see. But yeah, that's the colors and that's the palette. So I hope that you guys see that. Gorgeous. So next in the box, oh, I'm so excited. Next in the box I see the Ardell lashes, and I got the wispies. So I think the wispies, the same thing is going to come in everybody's box, and it comes with a free eyelash glue. So yeah, I got the demi wispies, and I really love Ardell lashes. They're very, very comfortable, very easy to apply, and I quite like the glue as well, so that's good. I really like that. Next I spot the Coloured Ray Lippy. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the color that I got is Satin Cream. Let's open this, and the packaging looks like this, and it says Matte Lip Paint Satin Cream by Coloured Ray. Okay, so whoa, it's a nice nude color. Let me swatch this for you guys as well. So, oops, I like to smell my nail varnishes or lipsticks and stuff. Just, I don't know if it's a bad habit, but it's a nice matte. Oh my gosh, I think this will look great on me. Right now I'm wearing something dark brown, so I will not put this on top, but I'm going to come and show you guys the swatch. You can barely see it. Can you see it? So it's this one here. Right, let's try and turn the lighting down. Do you see it? It's such a nice movie nude color. I really like these colors actually. They're very, very cute. So that's the colors and some swatches for you guys. And we should have something else in here. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it's so cute. This is the little brush that you get in the box as well. It's like a marble kind of brush. Don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. It's like a marble effect kind of brush, and it's got this tiny little head. It's so cute. So I think this is probably like an eyeshadow brush or something. So I'll definitely look up and see what that's for, what you can use it for. But I'm sure you can use it on your eyes. Okay. So last in the box we have this package here. So I guess this is the Asos eyeshadow that they were talking about. Yeah. It's like Christmas. Oh, my birthday present unboxing. Okay. So, okay, we have the Asos eyeshadow palette leaflet. Let's put that down there. And this is what the palette looks like. It's a tiny little palette. Yes, probably you can see it from far. So it's a tiny little palette. It's gorgeous. It's like a light pink packaging and it's got eyes on it. So just turn the light down so you can see the design. Yep. So this palette is called a Voted palette. Let's open it. Okay, it's like a warm tone palette. I mean cool tone palette, sorry. It's got some cool tone shades. So these are the colours in the palette. And I think I might do some swatches but on this arm of their colours quickly. So we're going to start from light to dark. That one's not that pigmented but it's very buttery and soft. There we go, it's brighter now. So we've got like a shimmery champagne colour. Then we got a matte like nude colour. I like bright colours as well, so this palette is something new, definitely for me to try out. That's that colour. Now we're going to go into this nice mauve colour here. And then we're going to go into this dark shade. Kind of like grey, and then this dark one, that one's pigmented as well. So I definitely think you can use this palette to create some simple eye everyday looks. Definitely got pigment, it's not too much fallout, it's not really chalky, it's very buttery and soft. So I think it's a good palette actually. So I'll definitely check how much they cost, but these are the pigments. These are the swatches. I think I'll go over this one and let you guys see how easy it applies. So yeah, they're really true to color and it's definitely pigmented. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to turn the lighting down one more minute and show you guys up close the colours and how buttery it looks. It looks very soft. And then we got this one shimmer shade in this palette and the rest are matte. So we get 6 shades. This is the shimmer shade and then the rest are mattes. So I think that's quite good. That is basically more matte. So yeah, I really like the Devoted palette. I'm definitely going to be doing a look with the eyeshadow palette with my Ardell lashes and my lipstick from Coloured Rain and using my brush. Asos, thank you so much for this lovely box. I think it's really good. Oh yeah, not forgetting my sleek blush. I really can't wait to try this out. I might do a Asos look using all this makeup. So if you guys want to see how I use this palette, use this makeup box, comment down below. It would be quite interesting for me to try that out. But I really enjoy the stuff I got in this box. I think I'll definitely try again next month to buy some stuff from Asos before it all runs out. But thank you guys so much for watching. These are all the stuff in this month's Asos box. We got a brush, Ardell lashes, an Asos palette, a sleek blush palette, Coloured Rain lipstick, £12. Asos, thank you for this. This is like a early birthday present for me. So definitely check out the Asos April box. I think it's a bomb box. I've been watching some reviews and I think this is one of the best boxes they had by far. So I'm definitely going to be doing that next month again. So look out for that haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm loving the swatches and I'm loving the whole box. So it is worth it. £12, you can't go wrong. See you guys in another one. Bye guys.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just trying to get it, I ain't trying to